100,000 sent to you, Mungai. Normal. Alright, hata ishafika by the ishapita, sio?
Hello guys, it's your girl Precious. Status call me the queen of online gossip, and I'm back again with another banger. And today's video is about Mungai, yeah, and the many gifts that she was gifted yesterday on her birthday party. Hey, stay tuned. And before that, remember this video is brought to you courtesy of Tech Electronics, Seven Honey, and Page Cleaning Company. So if you want to buy electronics, on a fix, on a repair, call us on this number where you plug. You can also follow us on our social handles at Tech Electronics. We also sell honey. So if you want to buy honey, call us on this number where you plug at Seven Honey, like our Facebook page at Seven Honey. Also, we offer cleaning services. So if you want your sofa sets to be cleaned, your dining seats, your office seats, call us on 0726 606 549. Where you plug and we offer the best services. So guys, back to today's gossip. As you all know, yesterday was Mungai's birthday, and I even posted the birthday party, how the entrance was, the celebrities that were present. If you have not watched that video, go to my videos. It's actually the next video after this. The second after this is you're gonna see it, how the birthday party was, the celebrities, how they how they behaved, the artists who were invited and those that performed, and how the performance was. You're gonna find the video right there. Yeah, so if you've not watched it, please go and check it out. Yeah, and she was turning 23 years old, and she also posted some pictures that people really reacted to them, because they were saying, oh, since she got money, she's been dressed in appropriately and all that. But I think as I told you in that video that I did, everyone has got their own fashion taste, yeah. So my taste may not be your taste, so you cannot force me to wear according to the way you feel like I should be dressing. I will dress according to the way I feel that I should dress, and it is just that I feel that is comfortable to me. So if my way of dressing is not comfortable to you, you should just leave it and let people live their lives out there, yeah. Yes, so finally the baby, her baby was Trevor. He organized a birthday party for her, and it was big, it was huge, and actually from the decor, I loved from the decor. It was just superb how the decor was, and how everything was set up. It was just awesome. It was it was shouting world. it was shouting we're rich, yeah. It was shouting classy, yeah. So that's how the birthday was, and Trevor organized it for her. He invited friends that are close to him, of course, bloggers. We had Vincent Boyer, we had Tumbili, we had official Kinodia commentator, we had his commentator's wife, girlfriend, Maureen Gigi. Yeah, there's so many vloggers who are around. They just came and support the baby girl, because they have seen her growth since they began doing vlogs. Then they began going for interviews together with Eve, and right now actually it's very rare to see Eve going for those interviews with them. Right now she's in another class. She just have our interviews that she does. She has even begun other channels that even are run by other people that she has employed. She has even created job opportunities for people. So guys, as I've told you, today's video was how the birthday gifts were, and celebrities really gifted Mungai. I think Arobo and Nadia, they gifted around 60k. We also had Butita. I'm gonna show you the video right here. Butita gifted 100k. He actually sent it to her person, and she was so excited. She could not imagine if someone, just a friend, can give such amount of money to her. Yeah, she was just over the moon. And we also had the other friends who brought different gifts, because others maybe could not send money, Yeah, so others sent gifts to her. Those were having physical gifts, and they delivered to her. And then now the last gift, You guys, hey, the last gift was from her boyfriend, rather her husband, or maybe her not her husband to be, with Trevor. Years old. Trevor is her director. He's been her director since they began channel, since they began, kutoka chini, and has been there for her, for advising her on how she should go, on the things that she should do, the trends that she should, consider doing. He has been a director, an advisor, a lover. He is everything to Eve Mungai. There's no Eve without Trevor. There's no Trevor without Eve. That's how they call, they co-stay rather here. Let me say that. So this was the time for him to gift her his baby, Eve Mungai. And you guys, guess what? So he gifted her 500k. Actually wrote a check, as you can see in the video right there. He wrote a check worth 500,000. It was amazing to have a baby who is so supportive. I just had the day, that last year I actually surprised her with a new car. Actually, this year people thought maybe they're gonna upgrade the car and gift her with a new, bigger car. But then he gifted her 500k. Of course, that's even worth a car. Even if it can do that, she can buy. It's worth a car. Rather maybe at another had that pesa zake buy another big car. You never know. This girl and knows, so Butita, Trevor gifted her 500k, and she was excited. She was over the moon, and she said she had, of course, to speak. And she said how grateful she is to friends at large, to even her baby, for surprising her, for being there for her all through. So that was the video, guys. That's how the birthday was. That's how her baby gifted her. That's how different artists gifted her. Yes, you can leave a comment in the comment section. What do you think about these gifts, guys? Because they are big. What do you think? Leave a comment in the comment section. And remember to like this video. Please don't watch without liking. Give it a thumbs up so that it is recommended by YouTube, okay? So make sure you like and then leave a comment. Share, subscribe to this channel so that you're not spending time on post a video. Email gadget has trending news, most recent stories, and celebrity gossip. So if you don't want to miss any, subscribe to this channel and put on the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a video. And also, guys, I'm sorry for the sound. Please niko barabara, so of course magari zinapita and all that. So yes, that's why you can hear the noise. I'm sorry for the noise. And also the video for the birthday party, I did a voiceover. It was around 2 a.m. so that's why it was a bit I was like whispering, but I hope you guys increase the volume. Maybe you got to hear some of the words, so I'm sorry for that as well. And you can reach to promoters. You're going to buy electronics, fix, repair, colors on the numbers that I've given at the start of the video. So if you want to buy original best honey, we sell the best, guys. Colors on the number right there as well. If you want cleaning services, colors on 0726 606 519. Where you plug. Yes, we always call away. We offer the best services on the best and affordable prices, and we love and care about our customers. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you on my next gossip or on my next video. And guys, make sure you watch all my videos. If you've watched up to this point, up to the last point, thank you so much. I don't take it for granted, okay? So guys, thank you. See you in my next video. Yes.
Wapi yako? Unaandika check. Unaandika check sawa. Butita 100,000. Butita ametuma 100,000. Amelipa lifetime, hata alipatia.
Treasurer wa Anas Toto anajua. Treasurer wa Anas Toto anajua umetuma 100,000. Sasa ndio bana. Treasurer wa Anas Toto anajua ametuma 100,000. Soma bala. Leta nisome simuliki.
Thank you very much.
Hey, cheki. Leta tuonyeshe. So guys, in case you think it's a lie, confirm send to Evelyn, tutafunika namba.
Okay.
Yeah.